Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.